Set that him down.
You have to get it out of the bag.
I know.
And good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning.
Courtroom is having, I don't know if you've been down there, and they're just having some technical difficulties. IT is working on it, but
Okay, thank you. I know I haven't, but thank you for letting me know.
no problem. Does somebody want to speak to the prosecutor? Attorney Johnson?
Yes, I do when she's available.
I'm available, and I don't know where. Oh, Miss Bradfield and Mr. Berry and Miss Harris. I did send offers. I didn't send any to you, Miss Harris. Let me know if you need them.
Ms. Harris is
Okay,
not
thank
house
you.
counsel today. but-
Okay, got it. Okay, I figure. Yeah, I didn't send anything to you. So, yep. So I sent those just this morning, Miss Bradfield and Mr. Berry. I had street court yesterday, so I had to leave early.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Thank you.
And I can go in room 4, either if someone wants to put me there or if I can have co-hosts, I'll go in and talk to the attorneys. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Okay,
All right, Judge.
we're having some technical difficulties down there in the courtroom, so I came up here to get things going. I guess we're all ready. See.
I don't know how you typically do things, Judge, so I hope to see like.
No, it's good. It's good. Everything's gonna work out. All right, are we ready to go, Miss Williams Law?
I am, yes, Judge.
All right, this is the
Good morning,
city.
Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Who's that? Oh, Ms.
Good
Bradley.
morning, Your Honor. Yeah.
Mr. Berry, Mr. Soroki, Mr.
Good morning, Judge.
Mr. Johnson, I think Mr. Boffman I saw as well. All right, let's get going. This is the city of Detroit versus Mafajil Islam Ohi. Did I get the correct pronunciation of your name? Let's bring him in. Oh, we can start bringing him in. We can bring him in. Corporal Spidell is on there.
Your Honor, that was a correct enunciation of my client's name.
It was?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning to you. Did he
Good morning, Your Honor.
supposed to take the gun safety course?
Your Honor, that was never given to him as a condition for probation. It was just merely paying a fine as long as he stayed out of trouble.
And it was a delayed sentence?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right.
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, this is Arias. I'm still on hold.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second, ma'am. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I think we have everybody here. Sorry about the delay. We had some technical issues in the courtroom, so we're going about it a different way. This is the city of Detroit versus Mafajul Islam Ohi, case number SP 175-71541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jeremy Aldo on behalf of the defendant, P82238.
All right, good morning to you, Counselor. Mr. Ohi, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Judge. This is Mafajul Ohi.
All right, day is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. I see you paid that. Don't see you got in any more trouble. Sir, I'm going to dismiss the case. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
Yeah, and you as well, Counselor.
Thank you, Judge, and same to you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Barry, I think we start with City of Detroit versus Aspen Sue LeGros. Case number SP 123-16621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. LeGros.
If you're there, Ms. LeGros, you need to unmute yourself, please.
Aspen Sue LeGros. My apologies.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time, and it's set for a arraignment on the bench. Want to go ahead, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. LeGros, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I can't. I need to get the hostability back. Miss Mathis needs to give me the hostability back. I don't believe I can put in the breakout room, or maybe I'll try. Let's see.
What?
Are we on now, Miss Mathis?
Oh, okay.
All right, there you go. Join the room, Miss LeGros. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Miss Takia Green,
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
good morning to you. How are things going with you, ma'am?
Everything is going well right now.
Is that program working out for you?
Yes, it is, sir. Thank you.
Very good. I'm glad to hear that. This is the City of Detroit versus Takia Green. Case number is SP 1583979, SP 1583980, SP 1603281, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1603309, SP 1631502, counts 1, 2, and 3, 17318411, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Kia Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Miss Green, I got a note that you're up for graduation in January.
Yes.
We look forward to seeing that. I'm gonna put a pre-trial date on the 27th of January, 2026 at 8:30. Continued good luck and success, ma'am, and have a safe, happy holiday season. And I'll see you back on the 27th, hopefully with everything squared away. All right.
It sure will be. Thank you, sir, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
You have a better one. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit.
Okay.
I thought it would be. All right, let me go to-
And Your Honor, may the people have co-host?
I don't have the ability. I don't think I have the ability to give it to you. Let me see.
Okay.
Your host now, Judge.
Oh, am I now, Miss Mathis? Are we on down there now?
Yes.
Did I leave London's file down there?
Let me check.
Obtain London.
Check. Not Brandon London. He was another London, correct?
Yeah, obtain London.
Okay.
All right, let me get it. Let me get it printed.
Mhm. Yeah, I only have an ROA for him. And he's street court too, overtime.
Your Honor, I don't see Kimberly. Well, I'll check back in a half hour. Back
Very
here.
well.
Your Honor,
Mr. Barry,
LeGros, I don't have her on my docket.
she's at 8:30 in the morning, arraignment on the bench warrant.
8:30. Nope, she does not appear on my docket. I'm sorry to say.
It's a no ops.
No ops is the charge?
Yeah, and she has a wrong way ticket as well, but that ticket was on default years ago, so
Okay. So no ops is the charge.
no ops is the charge.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Obate, London, case number SP 152086661. SP 1668559, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1668723. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please, Mr. London.
Obate, London.
All right, good morning to you, sir. How are things going with you?
Good morning, Your Honor. Everything is going fine.
Very good. That's good to hear. You're set for graduation in January. I'm going to put yours back until the 27th of January as well. Mr. London, continued success and good luck, and have a safe and happy holiday season, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Gates, your matter is scheduled for trial. We're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30.
9:30, Judge.
It's 9:30 now.
The officer is present.
The officer is present. All right, let's call that City of Detroit versus Jeremy Lee Gates. Case numbers SP 1797382, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179740021. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578, on behalf of Mr. Gates. State your name for the record, please.
Jeremy Gates.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Bradfield. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Bradfield, who is the officer? I got that. I have it right here. Corporal Spidell. Go ahead and speak to Mr. That's cut off for officers there. Go ahead and speak to Mr. Bradfield and see if you can work it out for him, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, Mr. Gates, I'm sorry. Let's pass that matter. All right, Ms. Harris, do you have someone?
I do. Mr. Graham, Lasante Graham, just asking for a trial date.
Is he here? Okay, he is. All right, let's go ahead with the City of Detroit. Versus Lasante Graham, case number U72826025, U72825825. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court chair, Erica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, please state your name for the record.
Lee Shante Graham.
All right, good morning to you, sir. There's
Good
date
morning.
and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna set a trial date for January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Graham, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Okay, you too. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
You as well. Mr. Boffman, are you there? He's in the breakout room. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. LeGros. Ms. LeGros, are you there?
Yes, I am.
I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would ask the court to confirm that she has a valid license.
Ms. Mathis, can you confirm Ms. LeGros' valid license, please?
Okay.
Aspen LeGros.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
It's valid.
All right, case dismissed, ma'am, for providing a valid documentation. I'll just let you know you still owe that 156 on a wrong way ticket, that wrong way ticket. I'm waiving the warrant fee. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you so much. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go with Angela Lee. City of Detroit versus Angela Josephine Lee, case number SP 1813630, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Angela Josephine Lee.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, pardon me.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Is this a warrant arraignment on the bench warrant?
Show cause.
Show cause. All right. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, there's 3 cases I have. No insurance misdemeanor, driver's license never acquired, and a defective equipment ticket. Give Ms. Lee an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Lee, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and he's going to have a conversation with us. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
And Your Honor, I'm ready on the next one.
You couldn't work out Gates yet?
Ms. Horn is in the room with the officers.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Iris Lazama Hernandez. Case number SP 180-65051 and Z8098501. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lazama Hernandez. State your name for the record, please.
It's Arayas Lazama Hernandez.
Okay.
For purposes of, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and waive formal readings, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $500 personal bond. Ms. Hernandez, I'm gonna have you start testing 1 time per week. I know today is Friday. You may not be able to get a test in this week, but it'll be every week thereafter until the bond conditions change or the case is dissolved of. I'm gonna have you not leave the state of Michigan until, without the court's permission, until the case is absolved of, and then I'm having no drinking during the pendency of this case. Okay.
You got it.
I'm gonna refer this matter to probation. And I'm still gonna let you speak to Ms. Bradfield in the breakout room to see if you want us to appoint an attorney or if you're gonna get an attorney appointed to yourself. She may get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Appoint an attorney and
I'll speak to you in the breakout room, Miss
okay.
Lozama
Join
Hernandez.
the room, please.
Okay.
And we need a good contact information. Let's pass the matter. On the Motorola Moto G Stylus, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Isaac Grant.
Isaac Grant. Good morning to you, Mr. Grant.
Good morning, Judge.
And Isaac Grant was here earlier,
He
right?
was. He hasn't lost his spot. I think I left my docket downstairs. I can print another one out, though. I don't know how I did that.
Do you need it? Do you have notes on it? Do you need it, Judge?
No, I can print another one out.
Okay.
Deontay Melson.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. How
Good
can
morning,
I
sir.
help you? What is your full name?
Deontay Maurice Melson.
I think you may be in the wrong courtroom.
This was on my paperwork. It told me to join 434.
Let me see what let's see if you have, what's that case number on there, please?
Case
S
SP 14119591.
You're in Michael Wagner.
How do I get there? They didn't give me the court number on my paper. It told me judge.
What courtroom is Michael Wagner?
Michael Wagner is 331.
331, Mr. Melson. Can you give Judge Wagner's clerk a call and tell him Mr. Melson was in here?
I sure will, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Melson, go through 360-331-0000 or go to the 36th District Court website and go to Judge Michael Wagner's Zoom room and join in there, okay?
Okay, I'm about to do that now. Thank you.
Safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Patel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh,
Apologies.
Isaac Grant, we can get, Isaac Grant, we can get out of here as well. Green is gone and London is gone. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Isaac Robert Grant. Is this Isaac Grant born in 76?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, there you go. Case numbers SP 103-5723, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 104-3016, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 104-30191, SP 106-13621, SP 116-33271, SP 164-4715, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 168-05161, SP 82-3337, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9636421, SP 9636443, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Isaac Robert Grant, case number SX 4475815, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, would you please state your name for the record?
Isaac Grant.
Your Honor, Mr. Grant is a Street Outreach Court Detroit participant. We anticipate him being presented in January for graduation. We're therefore seeking an adjournment to 1/27/26 so they can complete that process. In addition, though, Your Honor, if you may recall, he had a tether that was ordered by Third Circuit. When he went to remove that order, or when there was an order to remove the tether from Third Circuit, he went to the jail to have the tether removed, and they said there was a hold based on a case from 36th District Judge Holmes. The case that I found that could potentially be the issue was the SP 16805-161. We addressed the situation at his previous hearing or previous appearance before Your Honor, and you found that there was no notation of or order of tether associated with that case. But we're hoping that you can make a notation in the ROA today that any tether associated with this particular case is removed so that Mr. Isaac or Mr. Grant, excuse me, can take that ROA and have it removed.
Well, let me start with this, SP 108-64091. That for some reason is in warrant status. I'll recall that warrant and give him a not guilty, issue a not guilty plea and give him a $0 bond on that case. Give me the case you were referencing again.
SP 168-05-161.
Okay, and is that case for me? That's Judge Holmes. So again,
I believe that's your case. She was just the initial sitting judge, I believe, or am I reading the ROA wrong?
You're reading it. I think you're reading it wrong. That was, probably assigned to me. She's judge of record. So that would
Understood.
be, she would be the lead person, but let me read and see her notes here. So it was arraignment on June the 2nd, 2025 at 9/8, cash or surety, $2,000 bond set. He went for a pretrial on 6/23/2025. Specialty court referred back to Alpha Judge. Scheduled for trial on 7/15/2025 in front of me.
And then the referral to street outreach on that same day.
And then came back on 9/29 at 8:35. And then I see it was, okay, that's 7. That's on the 15th, yes. All right, and then on the 9/29, it was removed from calendar to 10/09. And then on 10/09, it was scheduled for pretrial today. So everything reads that I'm the judge now. That was transferred to me, although it doesn't read that at the top of the ROA. And you want this tether removed?
Yeah, some notation in the ROA, if possible, to say that the tether associated with this case is removed.
All right, let me ask you this, Mr. Isaac, Mr. Grant, I'm sorry. What are you doing now? What was it a felony case that he got arrested on that was the cause of that tether?
Yes, it was a felony child support case, and it was dismissed by Judge Prentice at Third Circuit.
Prentice Edwards. Okay, very well. Okay, and then that was I'm gonna accept that as he's being forthright with me and that he's not trying to pull the wool over the court's eyes. I am going to order the tether to be removed. Is it you still have the tether on now, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna. I'm gonna order tether to be removed.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Listen, I'm happy to hear that you're progressing well. I'm happy to hear that you're in about to get out of it and move on with getting these things behind you, sir. I do wish you a safe and happy holiday season. And I look forward to hearing good things on January 27th, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge. Wish you the same.
Thank you so much. Mr. Patel, I think that may take care of everybody today. I don't know if we have, you're free to leave.
I have a
Mr.
Okay,
Grant.
thank you.
I have a few more.
I got Green out of
uh,
here, London out of here. I haven't seen Ledbetter. Is Stanley Gray here? I haven't seen Paris Graham. And let's go with Gaines. I see City of Detroit. I have Gaines here. Good morning to you, Miss Gaines. And I probably don't have her file in front of me either. But I'm going to print it off the ROA.
Damn, that bitch busting. Where the fuck my
Hey,
coat
hey,
at?
hey. Who is that on there? Need to watch your mouth and mute yourself. LaQuina Gaines, all her matters are in warrant status for some reason.
I think it's
Yeah.
lucky.
And then I have some other stuff in pretrial. Am I looking at the right one? 11-14-79. Yeah, I don't understand that. It says pretrial on here, but when you look at the screen, it says warrant. That's not right. All right. City of Detroit versus LaQuiana Lovely Gaines. Case number SP 1619755, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1636057, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1688552, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1770039, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1770046, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, would you please state your name for the record? She was just here.
I think she's still here. Somebody to give her the prompt to unmute herself. Well, maybe she's not.
I can speak. She was presented last month to the Street Outreach Court Detroit, a judge and prosecutor. They asked for an additional action items, which was to address traffic matters in other jurisdictions. And she's had. Oh, here's Ms. Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, would you please state your name for the record?
Lockiana Gaines.
All right, Ms. Gaines, good morning to you. How is the progress going, ma'am?
Good morning. Kind of going slow. I just I talked to the 3 places where I got tickets at. Only one of them said they weren't gonna lock me up if I come and see it. But the other 2 said I'm going to jail unless I have $500 or $600.
And what are those
So,
jurisdictions?
But during the process, I had a break-in. I had a break-in and into my, and so kind of been with that. I ain't even get back. Well, that was Dearborn. Dearborn said that I could see them and that they wouldn't lock me up for the ticket. They would give me court date.
And who are
But
the other 2 that said they
Livonia
were?
and Westland said they're gonna lock me up unless I come with $500 or better.
Okay. Mr. Patel, are you aware of that?
I am not aware of that second fact. but I
Yeah,
will look
somebody,
into
a chief
this.
was telling me that's illegal. They're not supposed to do that, but
Stop,
I'm
Miss
telling
Gaines.
you what
Stop,
he
Miss
told me.
Gaines. Stop, Miss Gaines. No,
Okay, I'm sorry.
no, that's not, that's not necessarily illegal, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
You're on bond with them, and if you violated the bond, or if you haven't, if you violated some term of probation, they're in their full right. They have to give you a bond. They do have to give you a bond, but if you can't pay that bond, then you're subject to be detained. But I'm hoping that Mr. Patel may be able to find some kind of remedy for you.
Yeah,
Or
I'm
is that
hoping so
outside
too.
of your scope, Mr. Patel, as far as those other jurisdictions?
We will advise her on that, Your Honor.
Okay. I think the main thing is that they need to know that she's in street court. And while, a bond is gotta be reasonable, and, in this court's eyes, I would say that somebody that's in street court, it would be an unreasonable bond, but I can't speak to the other two jurisdictions because I don't know what the history is. I don't know what's going on there. And I don't know what exactly the bond is. I know you mentioned something about $500, but I just can't speak to something that I don't have anything in front of me, and that's not in front of me. Those are some other judges, and the way they run their courtrooms is the way they do it. And I would hope they're not doing anything illegal. But I'm hoping that I'm sorry to hear about the break-in, ma'am. I'm still hoping that things get better for you. I know, Mr. Patel, you wanted a March 2nd, 2026 date at 8:30.
Yeah, March 2nd, 2026.
And I'm recalling the warrants, and doesn't seem to be that it should be in warrant status because, and I think that may be just an error on the system's part, because on one screen it says pretrial today and you are here, and then the other screen it says warrants. So we'll clear that up on our end. All right, Ms. Gaines?
Okay.
All right, listen, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. I'm gonna continue to pray for you that the light starts to shine brighter for you. And
Yes, you can't do nothing without a license.
you'll get through this, and we'll see you back after the new year on March the 2nd, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is
Uh,
that concluded, Mr.
I have one more, which is more of a logistics issue. It's Christian Godfrey Brewer.
Yes. And was he supposed to be here today?
No, he's actually a graduate of the program from October, and I don't. I've emailed the judge and clerk to have the order entered, but I haven't received a response yet.
Well,
I'm asking you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Christian Andre Godfrey Bruton, case number SP 1500629, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 150077171, SP 158333531, SP 172738991, SP 173523881. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Godfrey Bruton. Mr. Godfrey Bruton was a graduate of the Street Outreach Court Detroit program on October 20th. However, the cases and the order have not been entered yet. And so that we're asking that his matters be adjourned to 1/27/26 so that the SOCD clerk can enter those orders.
Okay. And you say what today is that?
What date? What did he graduate?
What date was that?
Oh, 1/27/26. 26.
127-26. Okay. All right. 127-26, 8:30. And I'll waive his presence because of what you stated on the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That gentleman on the docket for today?
Yes, he's on the docket at 8:35. Godfrey Bruton.
Okay, thank you.
All right. And we have Stanley. Let's pass that matter. We have Stanley Gray.
Your Honor, well,
Let me see if I can find his file. All right, I have to pull up a summary for that. This is the City of Detroit versus Stanley Gray. Case number V13500-124, V13587-524, V14400-124, V14400-224, V14400-324, V14400-424, V14400-524, V14400-624, V14400-724, V14400-824, V14401-024, V14401-124, V14401-224. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, would you please state your name for the record?
Good morning. My name's Stanley Gray.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. I also have SP 139-4206, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 139-4265, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172-5621, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172-56511, SP 928-2281, and State of Michigan versus Stanley Gray, SX 36301-201. All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gray. How are things going with you?
Good morning.
How are things going with you, sir?
Yeah, they going better. Going better.
I'm turning your video off so we can have the transmission go through better. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I think it's I'm thinking you're feeling that it can get better, and it always can get better, right? But I'm hoping that it does get better.
Yes, sir.
And this is the pretrial on the 27th of January, Mr.
Yes.
All right, pretrial 27th of January. Mr. Gray, again, I wish you continued good success. I'm glad it's getting better, and we'd like to get a lot better and a lot sooner. So we're going to continue to pray for that, sir. We have a safe and happy holiday season, and I hope to hear some more good news on the 27th, okay, of January.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, just for the record, I can advise you that Mr. Gray has incorporated an LLC and is making, significant or starting his billings on that LLC. So he is making good progress, in my opinion.
Modest. He's just being modest then. I got you. All right. I know, but he's looking toward the bigger prize, and he sees there's a lot more out there, and he's trying to get it too, I'm sure.
Yes, Your Honor.
And keep
Thank
on,
you.
Mr. Gray, you will get it, all right?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Our best of luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Anyone else, Mr.
All right,
Patel?
No one else, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, I see Charlton Ledbetter. I don't see him on the docket today, though, and Paris Graham. I don't see them on the docket.
They're not on the, oh, okay. I must have miscalendared it then.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go. Are we ready? Let's go back on the record with Miss Lee. Miss Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to oh,
It was a driver's license never acquired, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a
failure
defective
to
equipment.
failure to display, Your Honor. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Miss Lee?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
No, sir.
You don't know that you're going to give those rights
Oh,
up?
I'm sorry. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
All right. And you do know you're going to give those rights up when you take this deal, right?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to October 16th, 2025 at around 2:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Chandler Park and Connor Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why can't you produce a license, Miss
I
Lee?
haven't retrieved one.
You never got a license before.
No.
And you've been driving around all over the city, haven't you?
Yes. I'm going to get one. I'm going to get one. I learned my lesson.
All right, so don't get caught driving again, all right?
Okay.
All right, well, don't drive again.
I know.
Yeah, that getting caught is meaning you, so all right, I'm gonna find your client guilty. It's gonna cost you $240. When can you pay it?
I can pay Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yes. Christmas Eve, December 24th.
And you, all right, I'm gonna just go ahead and put it in for the January the 6th, just because is the holiday.
Okay.
But you can pay it, if you can pay it on the DivDat kiosk, then you can pay it any day. But January 6, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Miss Lee, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Michael Charles Gilmer Jr. Case numbers SP 1798009, SP 1841692, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilmore.
Brandon Michael Charles Gilmore Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. And Mr. Gilmore has 2 more cases that he just recently got. They say he thinks he's a NASCAR driver or something racing up the street at 16 to 20 miles over. That's what they say. And he didn't have any valid insurance. So a 16 to 20 and a no insurance. Mr. Barry, give Mr. Gilmore an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gilmore, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry, and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Are we ready on Gates? Ms. Bradfield? Oh, not yet. All right. We're waiting on a lawyer. On that telephone at 313 740 What happened to him?
Yes, my phone, I don't know, for whatever reason, the Zoom app, it
That's
freezes up my phone. So I have to hang up.
All right. Give us a minute, Miss Lee.
And I'm not sure if the court is in the middle of something. Just want to check on a defendant for possible capias.
Go ahead, Miss Horn.
Thank you, Your Honor. Jeremy Goodlet at 9 o'clock, Billy Bird.
Have not heard from Goodlet or seen Goodlet.
And may I release Officer Bird?
You may.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I do have his number in case he checks in.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm back.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gates is aware of his trial rights and that today is his trial date. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation, which is to plead to improper place as charged, and also pleading to driving while license not valid, but it will be amended to failure to display a license, and the other two matters will be dismissed.
The other three matters.
3 matters?
No, I think it's two. I'm just. All right, I see it's two. You want to
Okay.
take the deal, Mr. Gates?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, Corporal Spidell, good morning to you.
Good morning to you
State
as
your
well.
name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, Corporal Spidell, badge 402, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Gates, take your hat off, please.
I don't have on a hat.
It's not Gates?
Green, Brandon Green.
Brandon Green, I'm sorry. Take your hat off, Mr. Green. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Gates. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 18th, 2025, around 3:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schaefer and Linden. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a
Yes, I
motor
do.
vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And was the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Correct.
And why is that?
My license was suspended.
Very well. And was something wrong with the plate on that vehicle?
Yes, it was.
And what was wrong with it?
It was improper.
And how was it improper?
It was
You
it
can go ahead
didn't
and tell it
it
now.
didn't match. No, I was trying to it didn't match the vehicle.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the as charged, the improper plate with the stipulation of probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
We still stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I'm only gonna fine you for the failure to display, sir. You owe some other civil infractions down here. I won't fine you for the improper plate. $240. I'll give you until January 20th to pay it. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. I would take my first $288 and put it toward this
Okay.
no insurance. Don't get into the payment plan until you pay that first $288. If you pay that $288, then you will potentially set yourself up to be eligible for a license. At least you'll get clearances here at the 36th District Court. Mr. Gray, do one of two things before January 20th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, or come on down to the courthouse on or before January 20th and get into that payment plan, all right?
Yes, sir.
I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, Mr. Gray, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Same to you.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Hernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Do you understand what's going on, ma'am?
I understand what's going on. She explained somewhat of it for me.
Somewhat?
She explained, yep, I explained. I mean, she explained it. You can explain it again. I'm not sure.
Well, do you need me to explain it again? I wanted to make sure you understand what's going on.
Yeah, I have an appointed lawyer, she said, and then I don't know, I'm just waiting for another court case or another court day, right?
And you need to be testing. So
Yes.
I'm gonna give you the number to the testing site.
Okay, hold on, let me get a pen. Oh my God, I don't have a pen. Okay, what is it?
313-965-3414. That's probation. All right, now here's the deal. I realize today is Friday. You may not get a test in today, but I want to see a test every day, every week after that. If I see a missed test, a diluted test, or a positive test for alcohol, then we're going to up the ante on the bond. Do I have to explain what that means to you?
I understand. You're just gonna have to put the bond higher.
Or put you in jail.
Okay.
There's a lot of things I have a discretion to do, okay?
Okay, gotcha. So I can't drink. Okay, do you know where's the building? Where do I test at?
They're gonna call you. So
Okay.
here's
So I'm
here
gonna wait. I'm
again.
waiting on a call. That's what she said. I'm waiting on a phone call, and
Yeah.
then do you have to pay for this?
You're gonna have to pay.
Okay.
You're the answer the calls you don't recognize. You know that you know how to get in touch with the court. You have a number. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But next week, when it gets down and you haven't heard from anybody, I don't want you coming back in here saying on January 16th that Judge, nobody ever called me. I want you to be proactive. I want you to get get back in touch with the court. Judge, nobody called me next week if you don't hear from anybody, so we can make sure that we can make those accommodations and arrange that somebody for you.
Okay, so I'm gonna call the number you gave me. Do you know who I'm gonna ask for?
You're not gonna call. You're gonna wait.
Okay, I'm gonna wait.
And then if you call, if you do call them, then there's no one to ask for. Tell them that you were supposed to be testing, and if they can't help you, then get back in touch with the court, okay?
Okay, and the court number is on here. It's just
You
making
just
sure
zoom
it's the
back in.
965-2200.
You just zoom back in this court.
Oh,
All right?
okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, Mr. Hernandez, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck.
I got you. I'll be waiting for my phone call, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Excuse me. May I ask the court a question?
Who's this?
This is Jalen Green.
You have to wait till wait for your lawyer. What's your question?
I wasn't trying to be disruptive at all. I dialed in around like 6 o'clock. You know, I am aware that you go in a specific order. And I know that I'm not sure if you guys have my name under my
Mr.
number
Green,
or not.
Mr. Green, let me save you some words. Your attorney is here, and we're gonna wait until you speak with your attorney, Mr. Vassal Johnson. Are you ready on Jalen Green? So when
Yes,
he's
Your Honor.
ready, you ready on him? This is
All of them. Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus, now you have how many? Who do you have? Jalen
Four.
Green, Brandon Green,
James Lloyd
James Lloyd,
and Lamar Lockhart.
and Lamar Lockhart or Jamar Lockhart?
It's Lamar.
All right, and that's, we have it down as Jamar. All right, let me do this. Alfred Gray.
Yes, Your Honor.
This matter is set for trial. I don't know if he's been appointed an attorney or not. City of Detroit, Miss Bradfield versus Alfred Dale Gray, case number SP 179-41081. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gray. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, it's Alfred Dale Gray.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We need to have Officer Hill here. Is Officer Hill here?
Officer Hill did check in.
He did check in?
Yes, Your Honor. If I'm not mistaken, he might have been the first first
He
officer
did.
that checked in.
He was one that checked. He
He
wasn't
checked
the first,
in.
but he checked in. All right,
Okay.
Mr. Gray, Miss Bradfield is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Jalen Antonio Green, case number SP 176-32831. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please on the court, Vassal Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Mr. Jalen Green. He's on Zoom.
All right, good morning to you, Jalen Green. Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Jalen Green. My name.
All right, what does Mr. Green want to do with these cases, Mr. Johnson?
Just request a trial date.
Trial date is going to be January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Green, have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. January 16th, 9 a.m.
Exactly.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a safe, happy holiday season. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Michael Green, case number SP 1803911. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Green. He's on Zoom.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Brandon Michael Green.
Very good. Good morning to you, Mr. Johnson. What's the set for?
Pre-trial.
You want a trial date?
He wants to take the resolution to the 6-month delay.
He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to fight, huh?
No,
He
sir.
He has no fight in him, huh?
He's got some fight though.
I don't see it. No fight in you, huh, Mr. Green?
I got fight in me. Just came with a mug.
You want a trial date then? If you want a trial date, or you want to go just take the deal. This deal is run of the mill.
I'm gonna take the deal.
You can get that all day, every day. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you have any money? Let me ask you that.
Yeah, I got money.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Judge.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Do you want a trial date or you want to take the deal?
Take the deal.
October 6, 2025 at around 12:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit near Grand River and Griswold. What's over there? Were you over there around that date and that time?
Yes, Judge. I was over there with some friends at a bar.
And at a bar. And all I see is trespassing at 200 Grand River, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Same here.
Well, he's at a bar. How does it get to be trespassing, Mr. Green?
We're in the area later than we're supposed to be. Wait, I was waiting on some friends.
What?
I was waiting on some friends in the area later than we were supposed to be.
Later than what you're supposed to be. What are
Yeah.
you're not a juvenile, are you?
No, sir. I was with some friends at a bar, and it was just a lot of, they were like rowdy and stuff, so we were supposed to, they asked us to leave, so I was just waiting on some friends in the area, and yeah, that's what happened.
It's just I'm getting little pieces. He's not really coming clean.
I was in the area with some friends at a bar, and they were rowdy, so they asked us to leave. So I waited outside for the friends, and they asked me to leave, but I stayed in the area to wait on the friends that were still in the bar. So
How is that trespassing, Mr. Johnson?
well, because they called the cops and said I was still in the area and after they asked me to leave.
I don't care what they did. So they're telling you you can't stand out of 200 Grand River where they own the street and sidewalk and everything?
Well, in front of the establishment, I guess I don't know. I guess they felt
You
like I
don't
was
even know,
trespassing.
do you?
I don't know. I guess they
You're
felt I
just
was
pleading guilty
trespassing.
just to plead guilty, huh?
No, I just
Say that, Judge.
Right, Mr. Johnson?
Not for Mr. Green, no.
Well, how he can't stand out in front of he left the establishment, didn't he?
I did
I'm
leave.
not sure at what point he was asked to leave. He might have been inside and he was still inside and then he was still outside, something like that.
Well, this is what I'm asking him. This is what I'm asking him. Did he said that he's in there. They got rowdy. They asked him to leave. He went outside and he stayed in front of the building and waited on his friends. That's what I heard him say.
Yes, Judge.
I heard that correctly.
Yes, Judge.
So the question is, do they own all of that to make you be able to get off the sidewalk? Who owns that?
I don't know. I believe I'm under the impression they called the cops while we were still in there. And as I got outside and was still waiting around.
See what I'm
when
saying? You don't even know.
I don't know the whole thing. I mean, I'm just going based off what I think. I think they called them while we were in there. I came outside. Moments later, they showed up.
And this is why I'm saying, Mr. Johnson, I don't know if you can't help them voir dire them better than that. I don't know if I don't know if I don't hear what I don't hear is any trespassing illegality.
You mind if can I go into a breakout room later with them?
Yeah, go into a breakout room later with them. You know. All right, pass the matter. City of Detroit versus James Arthur Lloyd, case number SP 1803766, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Johnson? Did he go? James, this is Mr. Johnson, appearance for the record for James Arthur Lloyd.
Vassal Johnson, the second on behalf of Mr. Lloyd. He's on Zoom. Should
Mr.
be.
Lloyd, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
I don't see him.
We're listening to him. Was he one of these calls here?
He was.
James Lloyd?
See what number.
James Lloyd? All right, he fell off. James Lloyd. All right, past that matter. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus, is that Amir Lockhart?
Lamar Lockhart.
It's Lamar Lockhart. I'm having difficulties with this gentleman here.
Okay.
Lockhart. I'm looking for an Amir Lockhart. Mr. Lockhart, didn't I ask you this before? Were you in front of me before?
Yes.
Where do you have a video?
Yes, I got to flip it around, so I got you.
You're not the sovereign citizen, Lockhart, are you?
What do you mean sovereign citizen?
Have you ever espoused any of those sovereign citizen views? I ask you a question.
Said no. Can you hear me?
Hey, flip your camera over. You're not in the toilet, are you?
Oh, I'm in the locker room.
Oh, very well. All right. You're not you're not the Lockhart that has the sovereign citizen views that we had a couple of years back. I'm taking that as a yes.
No. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes. No. No, a couple years back. No.
Have you ever come in front of me with the sovereign citizen argument?
No.
Have you ever come in front of any judge with a sovereign citizen argument? All right. This is City of Detroit. I have Jamil Amir Lockhart. Case number SP1247989, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3. SP170-64621. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge,
Yes.
on the docket, this is not Simon
It's
Lamar.
not. No, he's not on the docket. He's I guess walking in now. What?
No, we have him on the docket. Simon Lamar Lockhart for Vassal Johnson at 8:35.
So am I looking at the wrong Lockhart?
The last name is hyphenated, if that helps.
Lockhart Simon.
Simon. Simon.
Okay, that would change things.
Okay. I was a little worried for a second.
And Judge, I remember the face of the gentleman you're talking about. This is not the gentleman.
And this is not Jamil Amir Lockhart. That's the one we're looking for, right?
Yeah, the one you're asking about. Yeah, this is not that gentleman.
Okay. All right. Now, let's get a name here. Lockhart. I'm sorry about that, Mr. Lockhart. I just gotta make sure who I'm dealing with. All right. City of Detroit versus Lamar Lockhart Simon. Case number SP1803232, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Vassal Johnson, the second on behalf of Mr. Lockhart.
All right, Mr. Lockhart, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Lamar Lockhart Simmons.
All right, Simmons. All right, Mr. Mr. Johnson, is today's date and time set for pretrial. What does Mr. Lockhart want to do?
Request trial date, Your Honor.
Trial. He's got some fight, huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, I do.
I heard that. 16, January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Lockhart Simmons, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
You do too.
All right, thank you. All right, I'll let you speak with your client, Mr. You can bring him in one of the breakout rooms and see if we can get an offer. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Alfred Gray. Mr. Gray, Ms. Bradfield, this is a dismissal of no recollection. Am I correct to understand that?
That is correct, Your Honor, on no officer recollection.
Okay. All right, Mr. Gray, you have a safe, happy holiday season. I'm dismissing your case. I wish you
Thank you, Your Honor.
I wish you the best of luck, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You
You're
too.
welcome. Thank you. All right. Let's call Anisha Jarlene Lewis, City of Detroit versus Anisha Jarlene Lewis. Case numbers SP 178-41621. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne
Good morning.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lewis. State your name for the record.
Anissa Geraldine Lewis.
All right. Good morning to you. Go green, ma'am.
Go green. Good morning, Your Honor.
Go white.
Yeah. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Okay, so
Not. That's a
No,
yes
sir.
or a no.
Your
I'll
Honor,
let you speak to Miss Bradfield in a breakout room.
we've communicated.
Right.
Your Honor, she needs additional time. She have a matter in Dearborn Heights she need to take care of, so we can get her a new court date.
And I'm not doing this because she's got the Spartan
She wore the
t-shirt
right
on.
shirt today.
Yeah, I'm doing this. I don't know how she knew that, but I don't know. She might have looked at some of my previous Zoom things and know I like the Spartans. I'm doing this because it's a holiday and I want to see Miss Lewis get a license. Miss Lewis, I'm giving you until January 16th to resolve the matter, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you so
Have a
much.
safe, happy holiday season, ma'am, and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you and Happy New Year. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Miss
Lewis,
you're trying to get the prosecutor too with that t-shirt. Next time, so I can put
Everybody
some
loves
fight.
state, I'm telling you.
All right.
Happy holidays.
Hey, thank you too. City of Detroit versus Ray Andrew Lake. Case number U72290-425. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lake. State your name for the record, sir.
Ray Lake.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for more readings, ask that the warrant be recalled, Your Honor.
I enter not guilty plea on Mr. Lake's behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. Did you see a copy of this ticket?
No, Your Honor.
They say they allege that he's in the Greektown lobby trying to fight the security guard. All right, Mr. Lake, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on this behalf. Give him a $0 bond. I said that already, I believe. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, for the speeding matter, 16 to 20 over, the offer is blocking traffic, and the remaining matters will be dismissed, Your Honor.
Mr. Gilmore, you want to take this deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gilmore, I'm not going to let you take this deal again if you are speeding up and down the street. You're just really getting established on your driver's license. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you're going to have to slow down. Do you have $175?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have money, huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
And what kind of Dodge is this, Mr. Gilmore?
A Durango, Your Honor.
Is it one of those RTs?
No, sir.
Still fast. All right. I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
175, Your Honor.
Yeah,
I thought
you
it was
got
165.
no 175.
175. Okay.
When can you pay it?
When can I pay it? Give me one moment.
It stuck that stuck them up a little bit.
Sorry about this, Your Honor. Just need to check something real quick. I can pay it by next week, Your Honor.
All right, what day? Let's just pay it by January 6th. You'll pay it by next week. I'm gonna put January 6th in the notation just to make sure, because I know next week is the holiday. Pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, Mr. Gilmore, or I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone. Pay at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gilmore. Slow down. Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. But I have one question.
What is your
You
question?
said I could pay it at a courthouse, correct?
You can pay it at the 36th District Courthouse,
36?
downtown.
That was my question.
Yes, downtown, 421 Madison Street.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Slow down.
Absolutely.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Happy holidays.
You as well, thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Where's Genario Grill? All right, what about city of Detroit versus Mario Felipe Lanier Jr.? Case
Hello.
numbers. How you doing, sir? Case numbers SP State of Michigan versus Mario Lanier, and the city of Detroit versus Mario Lanier. Case number SP 1819142, counts 1, 2, and 3. SX 4626679, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lanier.
Mario Lanier Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing and trial, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I see one officer, Officer Crow is here. I don't know how many other officers we're looking for, but Mr. Lanier, I'm going to put you in a breakout room to speak with Mr. Berry. Officer Crow, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record for Mario Lanier, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Kevin Crow, badge number 4518.
All right, good morning. You have to turn in that city of Detroit, Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You have to turn your camera on, Officer Crow.
Oh. Okay, 1 second.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
And then we have another state matter. I don't know who the officer is on that state matter. Mr. Berry, do you know?
No, Your Honor. I only have Officer Crow's tickets.
Okay, the state matter must be some new tickets. All right, we'll check those out. Mr. Lanier, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's got a limited access and expired plate. Let me see if those have already been adjudicated.
Yes, sir.
No, he got new tickets, Mr. Berry. So a limited access and expired plate, you can add that, or he can actually go down to set a date for an informal, or he can take care of it today. You can add those two if he wants to the offer. Mr. Lanier, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Okay. So on the telephone at 378-5114. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Charlton Ledbetter.
Okay, that's what we were looking for, Charlton Ledbetter. I didn't think you were on the docket today. Mr. Patel was here.
Okay.
Let me do this. You have Mr. Patel. You are on the docket. You have Mr. Patel's contact number, don't you?
Yes, I do.
He's already given me another date for you.
Okay. Wait 1 second, Judge. I gotta find a pen because.
All right, I'll give you a second. I'll give you a second. Just give me. I'm pulling up your.
I'm ready.
All right,
I'm ready.
All right, I'm pulling up your thing now. Hold on 1 second. Ledbetter. How are things going with you, sir?
Same statuses. No mailing address, you know.
That's not
and
what
then
I'm here.
Yeah, well, I'm 62 years old and I'm barely walking. So I can only do what I can do. You know what I mean? And I have insufficient funds to keep paying to pay for application fees. I'm all out of application fee money because I live in a motel. So I'm caught between the rock and a hard point. Nobody's giving any money away. So, you know, only thing I can do is like I plan to do when I got my driver license, sir. I plan on moving away from Michigan where it's a little bit better for me to live somewhere that's efficient for me, you know. Because, you know, I used to be a contractor. I used to make almost $100,000 a year. I had to change my lifestyle around. But I don't have to suffer in the midst of changing.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Charlton Solomon Ledbetter. Case numbers SP 1434257 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1821700 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182176661. SP 79500001. SP 8713561. Mr. Ledbetter, state your name for the record, please.
Charlton Solomon Ledbetter.
All right. Listen, I'm sorry to hear that things aren't getting better. That's not what I wanted to hear. I do know that times are very, very difficult now, and as much as they say everything is supposed to be better for everybody, it just seems to be going in the opposite direction.
Rapidly.
Rapidly, it does.
Rapidly. It's going slow. You said that right, Judge.
Yes, I mean I'm here. I'm seeing, and I keep my eyes open, and we hope that things change, and that there is that growth and prosperity for people
for everybody that needs to have to be a part of prosperity, not the people that's forgetting that we are in, you know, we going through trying times, you know, because one thing about it, you know, everybody's not rich, but the poor, we have to do what we have to fight. We're fighters. Well, only thing we can do is fight. And if you don't fight, that means you gave up. So I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep fighting. You know, I'm not going to lay down for anybody, you know, financial things are concerned, you know.
I really like to hear that. I like to hear that there's a fight. And again, we talked about the light being shining brighter at the end of the tunnel. Unfortunately, it's not shining as bright as I would like to have heard and didn't get.
Yes, it is, man. Yes, it is, Judge. Every morning I wake up, it shines bright for me because I was in a worse situation than I am now. So I am grateful. I am very, very grateful.
All right. All right. So with that, I'm gonna let Mr. Patel know. I'm gonna set, and I'll let him know that you came in. He was here earlier, and I was the one that didn't think you were on the docket today. He had his notes together, so I'll let him know. Come back on January 27th of the new year, sir, at 8:30. And I do wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I will continue to be praying for you, all right?
Oh, hey, Judge, I pray for all of us, not just one person. All of us that's trying to do right. Anybody that's trying to do wrong, I'm sorry, but my prayers go.
I'm gonna pray for them too.
Hey, I already did, but look at here. Only the strong can survive, sir.
That's what they say. All right.
Yeah.
Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir.
Judge, I got one question. Just call you back in the same manner, right?
Yeah, in the same manner on the 27th. Just bring me some better news.
I got you. I got you.
All right. Best of luck to you.
Have a Merry New Year, you guys.
Well, thank you.
Yep.
Who's on 313-740-2825?
Here, Sheila Lee.
To Sheila Lee. We're waiting on Mr. Boffman, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning to you again, Miss Lee.
Good morning.
All right. It was another phone number on there. Press *6 to unmute yourself at 313-762-3255. Miss Lee, I'm sorry.
Yes.
On the 313-762-3255, press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name, please. All right, I'm not getting a oh, here, there we go.
Hello?
Yo, what's your
Can
name,
you hear
sir?
me?
Yes, what's your name?
Tawan Oliver.
Tawan Oliver, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Oliver was here yesterday.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you're supposed to be down in person.
I'm here. I went into the courtroom and they had dialed this number and told me to wait until y'all say something.
Very good. All right, very good. Who was your attorney yesterday?
I forgot his name. It was the guy with the dreads. Older
That's
guy.
Mr. Berry.
Yeah, Mr. Berry, yeah.
All right. So Oliver needs to learn a lesson, don't you?
I get it. I don't need to learn the lesson.
No,
I
I don't think you get it. I don't think you get it. If you got it, then you wouldn't even be down here today.
That's why I'm here trying to get everything out the way. That's why I set everything up here. Trying to get everything out the way.
On the iPhone, sir, good morning to you. What is your name?
Gennaro Gambrill.
Gennaro Gambrill. Okay.
Yes.
We know Mr. Gambrill has a license, don't we?
Yes.
Who was your attorney, Mr. Gambrill?
I don't know. I just had one gave it to me. They gave it to me already.
Did you speak to him? Oh, you didn't have Mr. Berry, are you there? Is anybody okay? We're gonna wait on an attorney. All right, Mr. Johnson, are we ready on who are we ready on?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Help me understand, Mr. Johnson, what your client wants to plead. How, first of all, help me understand. I understand partially why he wants to plead guilty because from my understanding, like a lot of people, I just want to get it over with. But it doesn't just work like that in here. And we have to take an accurate factual basis. And if I know those business owners downtown want to act like they own everything and you don't have belong, and they can tell you to move out and do whatever they want to do, but that's not the case. But I don't know if they own the sidewalk or not. But that's what the last time we talked, he said he was just on the sidewalk and they told him he was trespassing. So did you get any more information?
Yes, Your Honor. We request a bench trial date.
Oh, now he's got some fight in him now.
Yes, he does.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you, Judge. You too.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right.
All right, what about James Lloyd?
Called him twice.
He was
So
here earlier, wasn't he?
he was. He was
So,
here. Voicemail. It goes to voicemail. So I don't know if his phone died or what, but
yeah,
he was on the
something
phone.
he was here. Let's see who Kim's iPhone is. Kim's iPhone.
Oh no.
That's
Can
not.
I get can I get a trial date for him?
Is that what you're looking for? Is that what he was looking for? Let's call it City of Detroit versus James Arthur Lloyd, case number SP 1803766, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
That'd be his court counsel Johnson second on behalf of Mr. Lloyd.
All right. He did check in earlier, and so I know it's people who have issues with their phones and stuff. So I will give you a trial date of January 16th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season. If I don't see you any before then, Mr. Johnson.
You as well, Judge. You and your family. Thank you.
Thank you as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Kim's iPhone. What is your full name, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Good morning. Kimberly Lowe.
Kimberly Lowe. Mr. Berry, are you ready on your individual?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's call this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the unsafe matter, as well as for the limited access off docket, blocking traffic would be the plea. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I find your client guilty. Strike that. I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the limited access 1 to 5 case, and then I'll find your client responsible to limited access 1 to 5 for the driving in an unsafe manner case. I'm going to cut you a break, sir. I'm not going to fine you for the limited access. I'm going to fine you for the blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
Next week.
All right, just make sure it gets by January 6th, because I know the court will be closed. But if you pay it, you can pay it on the kiosk probably any day. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Lanier, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
I appreciate you. You too.
All right, thank you. City of Detroit versus Genario Lee Gambrill. Case number SP 1780819, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1780957, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1799151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, State your full name, Mr. Gambrell.
It is Gennaro Gambrell.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Now, you do owe this no insurance proof, and it's got
Oh,
a
that's up from here.
and it's got a reinstatement fee on there. So, yeah, I don't know if your license is suspended yet, but it potentially may be on the old no insurance proof. He owes $235, $170 on a disregard and a red signal, and an accident ticket he owes $252. Mr. Barry, get Mr. Gambrell. Okay, we're looking for Officer Lucas. Is today as a date and time set for trial on the matters that are before us today. Officer Lucas did appear. Let me make sure Officer Lucas appeared on time. And he did. All right, give Mr. Gambrell an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gambrell, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's pass the matter. Mr. Soroki.
Yes, Miss Lowe has checked into the courtroom.
City of Detroit versus Kimberly Lowe. Case number SP 180-72401. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Kimberly Lowe.
Okay, today is the date and time, and it is set for a pretrial, I believe, Mr. Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor. I was recently appointed on this case. I don't have the discovery yet. So what I'll request is that we just set it for a bench trial, and by the time I have the discovery and we can proceed
All right.
with the resolution.
All right, Ms. Lowe, bench trial date is going to be January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Happy holidays to you too as well. Thank
Your
you.
Honor, Your Honor, I'm sorry, the 16th, I have a jury trial on that day, so I don't know if I'd be able to properly handle this matter. If we can do it on like the 30th, if we can do it on the 14th, that would be a good day.
That's
Or
not a good day for the court.
what's a good day for the court?
The 20th,
The
the
20th?
next Tuesday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have the 20th is fine. Yes,
The
that's
20th,
fine.
the 20th, Miss Lowe. Again,
Okay.
have a safe and happy holiday season, okay?
All right. Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
Judge. You too as well.
And for just to make clear, that's by Zoom. Do you want to be by Zoom, ma'am, or do you want to come to the court for your hearing?
Zoom is fine.
Okay.
All right. Have a
Very
great
good.
day.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a great weekend and a great holiday, everyone.
You too.
You
Bye.
as well. Mr. Boffman, are we ready on Lee? All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm coming back down, Miss Mathis.
Hey, Harry, good morning, Harry Bachman.
Good morning.
Judge said he on his way down.
Yeah, I'm sorry if I missed somebody. Did Tashila Lee drop off?
Did she? I don't even know if she came.
Yeah, she
Judge
did.
has been working. She did, okay.
Who's on
Well, yeah,
the star? Is it *7 to unmute the telephone?
Star six.
Star
Star
six.
six.
Oh, she's here. She's here.
She's here. Okay, great.
All right.
Yeah, Judge was working from the chamber, so I'm not
Okay.
keeping very good track.
It's okay. We're ready whenever the judge is ready.
Okay. Oh. Got no snacks lying in here.
Yeah, Judge ain't got no snacks up there.
Court is back in session.
I'm messing around. Love my dog.
My dog.
Oh, no.
Got the real.
You probably sit at the back door.
Probably. Where everybody else at?
Anyway, that's all I gotta get cold.
What kind of dog is it?
Near Power Community, County Court.
Oh, he's a big boy. He all right.
But he a house dog. He not.
Ain't no candy course or no house dog.
All right.
He is?
Yeah, he a house dog.
But she, he, I'm about to.
He
All
probably.
right, where are we now? You giving me back to controls, Ms. Martins?
Oh,
Go get that lake, that Taiwan Oliver kid in here, please.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
Lake.
Oh, let me
Are we ready on Lake?
Yes, Your Honor. Whose check box should I put it in? His
What do you
contact
mean?
information.
His contact, or he needs to put it in mine. I'm back on.
Okay.
Yeah, Judge won't. I'm about to make Judge host again.
The one person that's in the hallway that he did.
That's what Judge was talking about.
Yeah, that's Oliver. Bring him in
He
here.
wants you to bring me in. Coffee.
I do. I didn't get my burners this morning.
You got the notes though?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. No, I'll find you.
Mr. Boffman, did you say you were ready?
No, Miss,
He came back. He was looking for you while you was gone.
all right, let's go. Let me find Lake. This file I never asked.
Or Lake.
No, this Lane file. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lake. Mr. Lake, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd like to set this matter for a pretrial and request court-appointed attorney on his behalf.
Okay. Is that what you want, Mr. Lake?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't see him, Judge.
No.
I don't see him.
248, what's his name?
Oliver Taiwan.
9. All right.
Yeah,
Mr.
you
Lake,
told
I'm
him to stay in the
gonna,
hallway.
ask you to call, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, January 16, 2026 at 9 a.m., I mean at 8:30 a.m., then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Sir, did you say January the 16th?
January 16th at 8:30 a.m. I
8:30
wish you the
a.m.
best of luck.
Thank you.
All right, have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right. Oliver. Yes. You wanna make a liar out of me, huh? No, why you say that? Because I told you that if you got another ticket, you'd be going to jail. Mr. Bachman, are you ready? I need to release these.
Your Honor, I'm just finishing up. Can you give me 3 minutes, please?
Yes. Some of them have summaries.
Today's 19th. Well, 19. You want him in the box, Judge?
Put him in the box.
Mr. Oliver, come sit over here for me.
The ID. 360. 834. 434. Zero. Until you do that. 0.
Is this your phone? Was your phone 9454944? Who's on the telephone at good morning to 313-395-5944? Good morning to you.
Yes, how you doing? Good morning.
What's your name, sir?
James Lloyd. I was just on the phone earlier. My
Okay, Mr.
my other
Lloyd.
phone number.
Mr. Lloyd.
Yes.
Mr. We got you another court date, Mr. Johnson. Come back on January 16th, okay, at 9 a.m., okay?
You talking to me?
Yes, James Lloyd.
Yes.
Mr. Basil Johnson's your lawyer. Come back January the 16th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay. Zoom or I come down?
It's like Burger King, sir. You have it your way.
Okay, I'll do Zoom.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Why do you make me have to do this? I've been trying to get to work every day, man. Why can't you catch the bus?
Okay, Your Honor, I'm ready on Tashila Lee.
It's not convenient.
No, because of the time frame and
What time frame?
I got to be to work at 2.
In the AM?
No.
2 in the afternoon? Okay.
But I got my daughter, so it's like.
How old is your daughter?
2.
Okay.
So I'm really working around her time. That's why I work in the afternoon.
No, you're not working around her time. She don't have, she doesn't have anything to do but just be a kid.
Well, there's other options.
Nothing. Toys, playing, right? So it's about responsibility. And if you didn't have all these tickets, it wouldn't really be that much of a deal. But you just show yourself as a person that has no regard for authority.
That's why I said this subject, to get my license break.
Yeah, but you come back and continue to get tickets. You ready, Mr. Baughman?
Ready, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Tashila Kelly Lee. Case number 19, well, that might not be mine. Case numbers, SP 105-9039, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 108-4179, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 151-4824, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 178-4458, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Tashila Lee, case number SX 44933-241. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record? Press *6. There you go.
Tashila Lee.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Yes, Your Honor. My client is going to waive her right to that event.
Corporal Corporate, good morning. You state your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning. Corporal Kropik, badge 775, City of Detroit Police Officer, 8th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you.
Morning.
Officer Young, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record? You need to turn your camera on, please. Oh, Officer Lee doesn't have her camera on, so she can't face her accuser anyway. She can't see. State your name. Good morning to you, Officer Young. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Young, badge 4893, Detroit Police, 12th Precinct.
Okay, very well. I also have an Officer Palmer that is on the docket, Officer Tonti, and Officer Connor. I haven't seen of those officers. Let me see if I have them on my sign-in sheet.
This is Corporal Kropik, sir. I believe Palmer was in the breakout room.
Palmer was on the sign-in sheet and signed in time. I don't know that they've spoken with the attorney or not, and I don't have any reason for why they're not here now. But I'll give Ms. Horn the doubt she's spoken with.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit. I did speak with Officer Palmer and came to a resolution with Mr. Baughman.
Very well. All right. Go ahead, Mr. Baughman.
So my client is advised of her rights. She's going to waive her right to a trial today, as well as those rights attendant to trial. She's going to plead guilty. The recommendation is that on count where the good Corporal Kropik came in, ending in 0391. The defendant is charged with
unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and driving while license suspended.
correct. On the no registration count, the defendant will plead guilty, and that will be reduced to improper plate. On SP 1514824, count 2, the defendant will plead guilty to failure to display a valid driver's license. And lastly, on count SP 178445581, the defendant will plead guilty to that count, and that will be reduced to improper plate.
I don't see why we do it. I don't see why we make it so difficult like that.
No.
Why can't we just plead failure to display, improper plate, and allowing on the one factual basis?
Yes, let's That
Isn't
was
that the same, doesn't that accomplish the same goal?
It does, Your Honor, and I do not believe there is an objection to that from the prosecutor. Matter of fact, we spoke specifically about that
That's
option.
correct, Your Honor.
And it'll be two improper plates instead of an allowing if that's what we do. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Is your hand raised?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Baldwin went over your other advice and rights to breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I completely understand.
And do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me carry your attention way back to January 23rd, 2020, at around 12:52 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and what's that, Winthrop?
Yes.
You recall getting pulled over by the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And was that your 2003 Chrysler you were driving?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, he did.
And you could not produce either, could you?
I didn't. I actually lived right there in that apartment, and I was trying to explain to him.
I didn't ask you
Yes,
that.
I remember that day. Yes.
Were you trying to explain to him why you're driving that vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And it doesn't really matter why. If you don't have a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance, you know you're not supposed to be driving it, correct?
Yeah, but I was moving, so I had to remove the vehicle. I couldn't leave it. But what he said was true. I could have got a tow truck, anything. I didn't have to jump behind that wheel. So I understand.
There you go. All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license, improper plate for not having a valid insurance, and improper plate for not having the valid registration, of two of which I'll dismiss upon payment of the improper plates. Does that sum and substance of it all?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Stipulate to the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
I stipulate to each dismissal. Thank you. Probable cause for each dismissal.
Very well. All right, here's the deal. Are you working, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And you owe a lot of money to the court. You understand that?
Yes.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. And I'm only gonna fine you $1,240. All right, I'm not gonna fine you for the other two.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
All right, I'm just gonna say pay by January 20th, 2026. And I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things, ma'am, before January 26th. I'm only concerned about the $1,240. You pay it at any DivBat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivBat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or before January.
I'll go down to the courthouse.
Pardon me?
I'll come down to the courthouse and pay it.
Or come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Lee, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Officer Young, corporate, be safe out there. Have a safe, happy holiday season, all right?
You
Thank
too,
you, Your Honor.
Judge. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Bachman.
Bye, everybody.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gambrill. Mr. Gambrill, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer of the people to enter pleas to 2 counts of improper plates, for the unregistered untitled matter and the expired plates matter. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
So 1 count of improper plate, 1 count of expired plate?
No, Your Honor, 2 counts of improper plates.
No, Your Honor. I think Mr. Berry, to correct it, it is 1 count of unregistered and untitled. The people are moving to amend that to improper plate on ticket ending in 09571, and that he plead to the civil infraction of expired plates, Your Honor. Ticket number ending in 8193. The people are moving for dismissal on all other matters.
You want to take the deal, sir?
I did kind of think about it. Can I go to trial?
You want to go to trial, right?
Yeah.
You want to go to trial on that indecent?
You can absolutely go to trial, but and that's your choice. But the question is going to be, on that date and that time, did you have proper registration? Did you have proper insurance? What is this? EG, ENG, IND, DCPE. What is that?
Engaging in indecent behavior in public, Your Honor.
Yeah, were you exhibiting indecent behavior in public? Those are going to be the questions at trial. Today is the date and time set for that, and we can give you a trial if you want one. Or you pay $240. I'll dismiss the no registration upon payment. I'm not even going to fine you for the expired plate, and then I'll dismiss upon payment. All the stuff else is dismissed, and you go about your merry way. What do you want to do? You want the trial, or you want the deal?
The deal. I do the deal.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 27, 2025, around 9:54 p.m., city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Rosemary. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact? No, strike that. Draw your attention down to September 27, 2025, in the area of Gratiot and Rosemary. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid registration for that motor vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Nope.
And why is that?
Because it was expired and I didn't renew them.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. Is a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss upon payment. We'll stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf for the expired plates, Counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, $240. When can you pay it, Mr. Gambrell? I won't fine you for the expired plate.
Okay. Could I just make a payment arrangement or like do that?
January 20th, 2026. Pay at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. Come on back. You have to come back. Now, January 20th, either do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDad app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan, or you can come down to the courthouse and get it and pay it as well. Do one of those two things, sir, by January 20th. Come back, and if one of those two things are done, you'll be done with me. You have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you. Okay.
All right, thank you, appreciate it.
Best of luck. All right. I'm just sitting here thinking about what I'm going to do with this young man.
Thank you, Officer Lucas. You can be dismissed.
All right, you have a nice one. Thank you.
City of Detroit, stand up. City of Detroit versus Taiwan Oliver. Case number SP 11258081, SP 978047, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 12884051, SP 1651549, SP 1730972, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1747698, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 175-24421, SP 1780903, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1780933, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1804006, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1804265, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1815912, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1815916, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1819139, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1819111, SP 127400, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 182745441, SP 1831728, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1841247, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 184-12561, 19-3, 865-191. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oliver.
Step up over here and state your name, please. Up close. Louder.
So Oliver,
nothing wanted to
okay, no worries. So Oliver,
all right. So, Mr. Berry, Mr. Oliver, I told him, you know, I get Mr. Oliver just with just two a page, almost more than a page and a half of tickets. You see that? And how old are you? You're only 28 years old. And I try to tell him, and most of it, I want him to get his stuff straight so he can get a valid driver's license. But I told him the next time he gets some tickets, he's gonna go to jail. Now he comes back in here and he just tries it. Yes. And the one particular thing I don't like, and I know there are allegations right now, but one allegation is he's going 16 to 20 miles an hour over the speed limit. Now, I don't know about you, but if I didn't have a driver's license and for some reason was just had to drive and break the law, I wouldn't be doing it and drawing attention to myself going 16 to 20 over speed. I did look at his allegations. Some of them aren't allegations because they've already been gone into default, so that admits responsibility. To his credit, I only see just a few out of all these pages moving violations. And it's more than enough, failure to stop, disregard excessive control of rights, failure to stop, unsafe manner. That speeding ticket is still an allegation. So, and you had supposed to go to work today? What time? Where do you work? And how do you plan on getting there?
All right, outside.
Did you ever ask for an attorney?
I thought he was my attorney.
I need him to
He
speak
is.
up much louder.
Yeah, I thought he was my attorney.
Yeah, well, he's only here just, with all these tickets. He can do it. He's a very good attorney, but you have this false ID case. Do you have, how much money do you have on?
Right now, I probably like
What was the amount, sir?
like 300 and some change.
Do you have tickets in other jurisdictions?
That's the other jurisdictions I called. One of them wanted me to turn myself in. And
what jurisdiction is that?
I want to say, and I called Warren. They said that they was gonna call me back to schedule the court. Yeah, I had one more somewhere else. I think they wanted me to turn myself in or pay $325, something like that. But I was gonna turn myself in with them, but I didn't know how it goes, so I had to court date, so I didn't know.
When do you plan on turning yourself in?
I was gonna do it after I do all this.
We're gonna do it before then. We have 3 other courthouses, right? Warren, Farmington Hills, and the St. Clair Shores. He's all over the tri-county area everywhere. Getting tickets. All going to work. Every time you go to work, you get stopped, huh? All right, I'm trying to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5 times 45. 5. $225. I need you to go downstairs. Ms. Mathis, I'm gonna allow him to pay these reinstatement fees up front. So what's gonna happen with these reinstatement fees? It's 5 of them that I count. Now, you're gonna, with the understanding that you're gonna pay all these tickets off at some point. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna allow you to pay these reinstatement fees up front. Nobody else is gonna do this for you. I guarantee you that. We're trying to make sure you get a valid license, sir. and stop the meeting. If that 225 downstairs, once Ms. Mathis gets this in the system and pay these fees up front, we'll get you clearances here, I believe. I don't know whether this false ID is I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. Somebody can take a nice, long, hard look at this, but Mr. Berry doesn't have the benefit of doing that because he sees you right now and he's expecting you to make a deal or get you trial date. I think I have them all. Except P174, he doesn't, I will set that default aside. The city has no objection. He can be heard on that. The ones that are years old, and we're not gonna do anything with those. All right. I'm gonna I need a good phone number from you.
313-762-3255.
I'm gonna have an appointed attorney call you. 762-3255. I'm gonna set another pre-trial date for January the 16th, 2026. Please don't try me again. All right. January 16th, 2026. Ms. Mathis is gonna give you some paperwork, go down there and pay for that stuff. Make sure you come back up and show Ms. Mathis the paperwork so she can let me know you paid. And then you'll have clearances here. You need to go to the Secretary of State. When you go to the Secretary of State, you can ask them and you can make sure that there's all those things have been cleared. It might have those other issues on there, but it shouldn't have anything from the city of Detroit. If it does, then you bring that paperwork back in or have it on Zoom. If you get another ticket, just come on back in. All right. And don't bring your work coat because they'll have some clothes for you. All right. All right, Mr. Oliver, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. And I wish you the best of luck. All right. All right. All right. That'll conclude the morning.
Only if you need it, only if you want it.
So where I gotta go from?
Are you about to pay right now?
Mr. Berry,
I ain't got to pay right
Ms. Moore, Ms. Mathis, Mr. Officer Wilson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Law, thanks for the help this morning.
Yes, sir. You're welcome, Judge.
You can wait in the hallway until I fix everything.
No,
All right.
he's asked,
You
he
guys
not
enjoy your
he wants the
weekend.
paperwork.
Okay, have a good
He said
weekend.